The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms a sad incident in which one person died while 6 others were injured when a building along Chinhoyi Street in Harare Central Business District near Golf Complex collapsed while the victims were on the pavement of the building hiding from a hailstorm on 6 April 2024 at about 15:30 hours. 3 vehicles parked in front of the building were also damaged. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The victim was positively identified by her next of kin as follows: Yolanda Hodzi, a female adult of Marydale Norton. The injured victims were identified as listed: Kudzaishe Mafawana, 20, a male adult of Harare; Triwell Lidmo, a male adult of Adeline Westgate, Harare; Wadzanai Baureni, a female adult of Waterfalls, Harare; Brendan Madondo, a male adult of Chitungwiza; Cornelius Chiwaka, 41, a male adult of Ruwa. The body of the victim was taken to Parirenyatwa Group of Hospitals mortuary for post-mortem, whilst the injured are admitted at the same hospital. This is today's news about the collapse of a building in Harare Central Business District. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.